What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. It is 11:54 at night, and today I really didn't vlog that much because I really didn't have that much to vlog. All I did was pick my little brother up from the airport and went to my oldest son's house, came back home. We played dominoes. I did record some of that and a little bit of recording, very little, at my son's house, and I really didn't record that much. And if I put everything together, it would be like a 2 or 3 minute vlog. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add Vlogmas day 16 and 17 together. So technically I did vlog on day 16, but I'm gonna put it all together because it doesn't make any sense to me uploading a 3 minute video. That would be a short. So with that being said, I'm not gonna do that to you guys, but you guys will get one on Vlogmas day 17 with Vlogmas day 16 in it. I did vlog, I just didn't upload. Little brother, I picked him up from the airport. He out here for a few days, and I'ma whoop his ass in some dominoes.
You remember our pictures that we took together?
And space.
Yeah.
She don't remember. Don't say nothing to this one right here. You know she gonna start hollering. Edgar, you gonna take her out to the porch with you if you do that.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm in my car. I ain't recorded too much of nothing today. I picked my little brother up from the airport. Went to my oldest son's house. We were supposed to play dominoes. And how are we gonna play dominoes with 13 dominoes? So now we headed back home, and my team is playing, and this is the playoffs. And so far, it's 0-3, and my team is losing. I need to be at home watching the game, but we stopped at a place called Stop and Shop to get some wings, and that's my little brother and my youngest son waiting for the wings to be done. And then we're gonna be home, you guys, and I'm gonna be home and I can watch my team. Yeah, I want my team to win so bad. I want them to win so bad. Okay, you guys, we're watching this Steelers game, eating some Stop and Shop wings. We got the lemons. We got the Luna Azul, the Mickeys, and the Jameson, and the shot glasses.
Don't forget about it.
Oh, and he got his Miller High Life. But right now, you guys, I'm about to go watch my team play.
Forget about this shit.
What's
right
that?
Here too. You got the
What is that? Oh, his vapes.
right the base. You got the cantaloupe cushion. You got the blue dream, baby.
Okay.
Cantaloupe and blue dream. A blue dream cantaloupe.
Man, what?
A blue dream, not a red dream. What? Yeah. Okay, you guys, gotta watch my game.
Family, baby. That's how we do it.
Hello. Cheers.
Cheers.
Love, success, happiness, and all that shit.
Happiness.
All of it.
All of that shit.
Just thought I'd come back and let y'all know it's 28-3. The Steelers is winning. I had to come back while a commercial was on, you guys. Okay, bye. Gotta go. We're eating at the counter when we got a whole table over here. But I guess what they're eating is real good. Oh, shit. It was a Stop and Shop.
Everywhere. I seen the domino go up your sleeve.
Man, these boys got. I like how these dominoes just slide.
Moving.
Man, it gonna be
And I have to stop playing dominoes right now. Because I got a customer coming at 8:45 and 8:45. And she's at the door. You just text me sitting down the street.
the black chicks up.
What part of 8:45 does a motherfucker not understand? And this was a favor here to do. She just called 30 minutes ago because she had something to do tomorrow and she forgot. And you tardy. It's good. good. Okay, my little riders, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna let Vlogmas Day 16 be Vlogmas Day 16 because it's 5 minutes long, maybe 6 minutes long, and that's gonna be a very short vlog. But I feel better letting Vlogmas Day 16 be by itself. So with that being said, that's what I'm about to upload right now. It's gonna be 16 on its own day and 17 on its own day. And I'm gonna try to vlog. I'm actually going to vlog a lot more tomorrow for you guys. We'll have a party that I'm going to, a vision board party that I'm going to, and I have some Christmas shopping that I'm going to do tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys some more on the 17th. I promise. If you made it all the way through the video, I appreciate you. It's not a long video, so it's not hard to make it all the way through. But anyway, you don't have to even make it through that. So I appreciate you making it through the video. If you made it all the way through the video and you haven't subscribed, so what you waiting for? Want to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you can receive a notification every single time I upload a video. Okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one, and stay blessed.